Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this portable power station that Desran sent to me for the video. I tried it already, and I think it could be really good for a couple of scenarios. Like if you're going out camping, hiking, fishing, or going to the beach with friends and family, or taking a short trip or like a road trip, this one can be a really good companion to have. It is charging right now, but you don't have to use a plug because this is a portable power station with 56,000 milliamps hour. This one is going to give you enough juice to charge your laptop, to charge your phone, your tablet, or many other things that you need power on the go. Because also comes with USB-Cs that are power on a fast charge, so you can actually give your phone super good and quick battery in case that you need it if you're like camping outside or something like that. Also, this one is PO4 and it comes with two 300 watts outlets over here. So this one is actually going to pick 600 watts total, which I know it's divided in two, but you know it picks 600 total. Things that I like about this one, that I do want to show you something really cool right here on the back. You're going to short press right here and you're going to find a flashlight. So this one is actually really good just to have, again, for those camping days and things like that. That also comes with a strobe and emergency SOS light. So that's actually a really good feature, I think. So it is quite heavy. I just want to say that it's not super lightweight, but that actually translates into good quality because this one packs power for sure. So if my arm doesn't get any tired, so I'm going to just show you this one right here. You have the two AC outputs. You have one 12 volts and the other one 10 volts. So you can use these two. You also have a PD 60 watt USB-C. This is going to be really good for fast charging. And then you also have an 18 watt and 18 watt QC 3.0 USB-A 3.0. So this one are also going to give you fast charge. And then you have this one short press. You're going to turn on the whole thing. You're going to see a little blue light over there, and the display is going to show you all that info. And then you have the two AC outlets that I was just telling you before that picks 600 total with both. So I'm going to plug this phone here right away. You're going to see that it's going to start charging as soon as I connected it right here, which is always to the other side. And there we go, charging already right away, no issues. And then you will see that on fast charge as well. This one could be really good as a companion for a short trip, vacation, just going camping, hiking, fishing. Super versatile, tons of ports, and of course, really good to take with you on the go, including with the flashlight. I like it, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.